Hello everyone. Today, I'll be showing you how to create clean, professional 3D images for your new green laser system. First, let's begin by creating our block size. Enter your block dimensions, then select Replace Block. With this system, you can work with multiple file types. You can import 3D models such as OBJ, STL, and FSL files. You also have the ability to attach a texture file when uploading an OBJ model. There are several ways to upload your image into the system. One option is to upload an image directly from your desktop. The second option is to use a shared image from RE4. After you upload the image into RE4, right-click it, select Raster Actions, and choose Set Shared Image. Then, when you return to Re3D, you can select Get Shared Image. We can also edit this image using AI. Watch as I tell the system to change the color of the scarf. I simply told the system to change the green scarf to the color blue. Next, select the Edit with AI button to process the change. And just like that, we can see the scarf change colors. I did notice it altered some of the text on the scarf, so I'm going to remove those white lines now. With a simple prompt, we can edit this image entirely, exactly how we want it to turn out. As you can see, this came out perfectly, exactly the way we want it. The final way to import an image is from your mobile device. Just select the Upload from Mobile button, scan the QR code with your phone, and then upload the image directly from your device. You also have the ability to remove the background using a simple toggle switch. Or, you can use Edit with AI to make any additional changes you want to the image. Next, adjust your settings for the image. You can use the settings I'm showing here as a default starting point, and then fine-tune them as needed. We can input the maximum height, width, and depth for this image, making sure to stay clear of both the surface and the backside of the glass. You also have the ability to generate 3D text. For this example, I'm going to enter a date to generate. You can use the Translate button to adjust the position. Our image is now ready for your system. Go ahead and download the DXF file so you can import it into your new setup. Thank you for joining us for this walkthrough, and once again, keep on making.